This video tutorial I will explain what is CDN. CDN is nothing but Content Delivery Network. Imagine you order a pizza for a delivery. Now think of pizza store as a website and the pizza delivery person as the internet. When you order the pizza, you want the pizza to be delivered to your home quickly and efficiently. Similarly, when you visit the website, you want the website to load quickly on your device. Now we can think of CDN as having multiple pizza stores in different neighborhoods with many delivery people. Instead of having just one pizza store and one delivery person, there are many stores spread across various areas, each with their own delivery people. So when you order a pizza from your store nearby, you get your pizza faster because the pizza does not have to travel a long distance. Similarly, CDN is like having multiple servers around the world that stores copies of a website content. When you visit a website using CDN, it is like the website content being delivered from the closest store to you rather than coming from the single faraway location. This makes the website load faster because the content has less distance to travel through the internet, just like getting your pizza faster from the nearby store. In simpler terms, CDN helps websites to load quickly by storing their content in different locations around the world, ensuring that when you visit the website, you receive the information from the nearest location, which reduces the time it takes for the website to appear on the device or your screen. Here you can see the server which is in USA and it has Netflix content. Here you can see the server which is in India. It has Netflix content as per the CDN concept. And if user is in India, then user will connect to India server so that user will get the content quickly. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.